positive vibes, all positive vibes. Fuck all that extra shit. Fuck all that extra shit. Like,
what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sakaya App, and we're back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a pink and purple cut crease type of vibe. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and go ahead and give that post notification bell a ring-a-ding-ding. That way you're notified every time we drop new videos here. We drop new videos here every Tuesday, guys, every Tuesday. So make sure that you are staying tuned so you don't miss out on our new exciting looks. If you have not already, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. I am on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and obviously YouTube, guys. So go ahead and follow me there. You'll get your daily content, entertainment, skincare stuff, makeup transitions, zodiac fun, all that type of jazz, guys. So go ahead and follow me so you don't miss out. And before we get into this video, I do want to let you guys know that I will finally be throwing my first event with Sankofa Tribe. We are having a pink model mixer. This is for men and women in the Georgia area. It's just pajama theme, guys. So just throw your pink pajamas on, your pink t-shirt, shorts, whatever the case may be. We'll have 3 sets. You'll be able to take photo shoots, network with photographers, models, makeup artists in the industry here in the Atlanta area. You'll also be able to do our catwalk competition, giveaways. You'll get a chance to win a free photo shoot with Sankofa and Sakaya Ave Cosmetics as well, guys. This will all be at Film Plug Studio in Norcross, Georgia. So guys, if you are in the area, in the Atlanta area, Norcross, anywhere up in there, guys, make sure you come out and support. Here is the flyer here, and I hope to see you there. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I have started with my brows. I went ahead and took the pencil and filled in. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to take my flat eye brush, and we're going to go ahead and conceal our brows. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is take that very same concealer and apply it to my eyelids and pale out my eyes so my color can really be popping. Alright, now that we have our eyelids peeled out, we're going to go ahead and with a purple, I'm going to just use my Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with this deep purple. I think I might mix it just a little bit with a little tad bit of black just to darken it up just a little, but not too much. So here we go. Alright, so now I'm going to take my You Can Be Splashy Candy palette, and I'm going to go in with this lavender here right above the deep purple that we have there. And guys, I'm now taking this little brown tone in the same palette. The Splashy Candy is over in the purple section, and I'm just taking that little tan there and smoking up the top. Alright, so now what we're going to do is take our concealer, and we're going to go ahead and do our cut crease. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in my palette here that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to use this pink right here. It's like a bubblegum pink, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out the whole entire cut crease area where you guys see the pale. And we're going to put this pink. Alright guys, now that we have our pink on, I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. So I'm just going to take a basic liner. I want my waterline black. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take this pink and kind of just smoke under the waterline since it's already there. And then we're going to take a smaller brush and get some purple and do the same thing, but more so above the pink, just so all the colors can blend together. So now I'm going to go in with my liquid liners. I'm going to use my black out pen for my inner corners, and then I'm going to use my regular e.l.f. liner to do my actual wing. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty highlighter, y'all, and this is Water Brat. This is what the back looks like. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it in the middle of my eyelid where the pink is, and then we're going to go ahead and start our foundation base. Alright guys, now we're going to start our base, and the first thing I'm going to do is get my orange corrector just for the little dark spots on the face, and then I'm going to follow that up with my L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte shade 112 foundation, and we're going to go ahead and get this base rocking and rolling. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. hydrating contour, and we're going to go ahead and contour our face, y'all. This is my second time actually using this to contour, and I actually really do like it. I think I like having liquid bases better than powder, but I'll keep testing and we're going to see. So now I'm just kind of mapping out where I want my contour to be, and remember, we'll just take our beauty blender and blend away.
No pressure. Better get the moving, homie. Better get the step in before you miss out on them.
Alright guys, now we're going to take our highlight. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a different shade. This is Deep Olive. I don't want to be too white in the face, so I went with a more tanner highlight today. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the areas. And then we will take our beauty blender and do the same as the contour. Alright, now we're going to go on with our e.l.f. blush. And this is just a basic blush, guys. So I'm going to go in with it right up on the cheekbone area. And I kind of like to bring my blush around my eye as well. Kind of right there. I also like to bring some down the nose and across it like that. And the same place that I'm putting blush is where I like my highlight to be as well. Well, my highlight goes a little bit more on different areas, but the blush is pretty much. Alright, so after I do that, I just grab some highlight. I'm gonna hit my nose. And then I like to take some and put it right here, my lip. Kind of where I highlighted everything with the concealer. Take a little bit. Alright, and then once I do all of that, I like to take my foundation brush that I used, and I just kind of pat over everything to just blend everything out really good. And I just pat, no dragging, no dragging. Now I'm going to go in with my brown lip liner, and I'm going to sharpen it a little bit. And we're just going to line our lips, and then I'm going to follow that up with my NYX lip as well. Alright guys, and here is our finished look. I'm absolutely loving this soft, dreamy, girly purple and pink cut crease look. I'm also liking the little detailing on the wing area. It definitely makes the eye more of a type of dramatic look, but still very soft. If you guys like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!